Hello everyone. In today's lecture we will discuss about energy production in stars. Stars are powered by a nuclear reaction at their core. Fusion is the source of stars' power which keeps them hot and allows them to produce light. Fusion also keeps a star from collapsing. Since the atoms at the core of the sun are heated to incredible temperature, their motion and collisions create a gas pressure that pushes material outward, counteracting the gravitational force that pushes the material in. This balance of outward gas pressure and inward gravitational force keep a star in hydrostatic equilibrium. Students, chemical reactions are just one of the ways that energy can be released as heat. Sun requires much more powerful source of energy to continually burn for its 10 billion years lifetime. If the sun were made of wood and burned by conventional combustion, it would only last a few thousand years, you can say about 8,000 years. Nuclear reactions are about a million times more energetic than chemical reactions. So they are much better source of energy for the stars to use. Students, gravity and electromagnetism are only two of the four forces that exist in nature. The strong nuclear force is the third and is responsible for tightly binding protons and neutrons together in the nucleus, as represented by this figure. The strong nuclear force only works over very short distances, too short for us to experience in everyday life. But it is so strong that it can overcome the electrostatic repulsion between protons within the nucleus. The fourth force of nature is called the weak nuclear force and allows protons and neutrons to transform into one another. It represents the weak nuclear force. In the sun, fusion reactions combine four hydrogen nuclei together to produce one helium nucleus, plus some energy. The hydrogen fusion reaction is sometimes called the pp chain since it involves protons. Helium weighs less than the sum of four original hydrogen atoms. The mass is not lost, it's being transformed into thermal energy as described by Einstein's famous equation that is given by E is equals to mc square, where E represents energy, m is the mass, and c represents the speed of light, that is actually a constant. And its value is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Students, this is all about this lecture where we have discussed about the energy production in stars. Thank you so much.